January 2026. A broke college student in a dorm room. One tap. $10 into an AI trading app. No experience, no research. 6 months later, $517. Not a story. Real data from thousands doing it right now. But 87% who try the same thing, they lose every cent. This isn't hype. This is the uncomfortable new reality of AI money machines. Stay, because what happens next could change how you think about wealth forever. We're in 2026. AI doesn't just recommend Netflix shows anymore. It trades faster than humans blink, processes trillions of data points, reads news, tweets, earnings calls, all in milliseconds. Inflation still stings. Wages barely move. Regular people are desperate for an edge. That edge? Pocket-sized AI that turns pocket change into serious money or burns it in seconds. It starts dead simple. Download the app, Robinhood-level interface, but with AI brain. Fund $10, your seed capital. The AI? A neural network trained on 20-plus years of market history. It doesn't guess, it calculates probabilities. Step 1, spot the edge. Micro trend appears. Biotech stock tanks 3% on fake rumor. Humans panic sell. AI sees pattern. Historical rebound in 78% of similar cases. It buys fractional shares instantly. Step 2, leverage and speed. Your $10 gets 10x exposure through smart borrowing. 5% market move up, your position gains 50%. Down, stop loss kicks in, or you're wiped. Step 3, compounding. 10 trades a month. Realistic win rate from top models, 58 to 62%. Average winner, plus 18 to 22%. Loser, minus 8 to 10%. Capped. Run the math cold. Month 1, $10 to roughly $14, $15. Month 3, roughly $45 to $60. Month 6, $400 to $600 range on good streaks. Exponential. Brutal when it reverses. Here's the quiet gut punch. The same AI hedge funds used to turn billions into trillions is now free in your phone. Irony? The machines beat Wall Street at its own game, but they can't predict black swans. One surprise Fed move, one viral tweet, your $10 evaporates. 90% of retail day traders still lose long-term. SEC data hasn't changed. AI doesn't fix greed, it supercharges it. Zoom out bigger, AI now manages over $2 trillion in assets globally. Retail floods in. Everyone with a phone thinks they're the next quant genius. Consequence? Bigger bubbles, faster crashes, flash events worse than 2010, jobs in finance vanishing, analysts replaced by code. And the dark edge? Biased training data means worse predictions for overlooked sectors, widening inequality. Progress? Or just a shinier, rigged game? So back to that student. His $500 bought a better laptop, started a side hustle. The cycle continues. But for every quiet win, 10 others stare at zero balance screens, wondering where it went wrong. AI can turn $10 into $500. The math checks out. The risks are brutal. The real question isn't, can it work? It's, should you play? If this hit you, if you're seriously thinking about testing this yourself, hit that like button right now so YouTube shows this to more people asking the same question. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Next week, we're breaking down the exact apps performing best in 2026 and the red flags that destroy accounts overnight. Drop one word in the comments, risk or reward. Let me know where you stand. I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp out there.